Alright guys, on this example here, I have 9 to the power of 1/2. So I'm going to write here 9 with a radical. So this 2 means it's going to go out here. And then the 1's going to go here. So the power goes on top and the exponent goes on the bottom. So with this radical sign, I want you to think of this radical sign. It's kind of like a division sign, but it has a little curve in the beginning. This radical sign, think of it like a prison. So in this prison, let me break up 9. So 9 is made of 3 times 3. So I can do the square root of 3 times 3. So in this prison, this is my prison. In my prison, there are gangs in this prison. Ooh, scary. So within these gangs, they identify themselves with either numbers or letters. This is the 3 gang, okay? The 3 gang. It's in this prison. This is a level 2 prison. Keep note of the number on the outside. This is a level 2 prison. And then I have 2 gang members of this 3 gang. So 3 times 3. So in order for these gang members to escape, they need 2 people in order to escape. But when they both try to go outside of the prison, they try to escape, only one of them makes it, the other one, bang, bang, dies. So that means that this 3 escapes on the outside. And because there's no one left in prison, because this guy's out, this guy's dead, 3 is going to be my final answer. Alright, let's try that again with 27. 27 to the 1/3 power means I'm going to do the cube root of 27. 27, how can I break up 27? I think it's 9 times 3, but 9 is not a prime, so I'll break it into 9 times 3. And I'll break this 9 into a 3 times 3. So the cube root of 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. Alright, so same story. Except this time, what's different? This prison level is a level 3 prison. That means that in order to leave, they need a group of 3 people to leave. So over here I have 3 times 3 times 3. All 3 will try to leave. But only one of them makes it. The other 2, bang, bang, does not survive. Sad story. That means the cube root of 27, the person that escapes, is the 3. Alright, let's go down to the 4th root of 16. So let's do 4th prison, 4 level prison, 16. 16 I'm going to break up as 2 times 8. 8 I'm going to break up as 2 times 4. 4 I'm going to break up as 2 times 2. So this 16 is actually rewritten as, so 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So let's see if our story works out. So in this prison, what level is it? It is a level 4 prison. In order to escape this level 4 prison, you need a total of 4 people. All 4 try to escape. Only one of them makes it. The other ones die. That means the cube root of 16 is 2. Alright, and let's move on to number 4. So here I have 3 to the 1/2 times 3 to the 1/2. This dot means it's going to be multiplication. So I'm going to be using the multiplication property. So this one will be 3 to the, when I use the multiplication property, what do I do with my exponents? Oh, that's correct, I will add them. So 1/2 plus 1/2. When adding exponents, I need to make sure that they have the same denominator, 2 and 2. That's good, that means I can just add on top. So 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. So 3 to the 2 over 2. 2 over 2, I know what that is. 2 over 2 is just 1. So I have 3 to the 1, or just 3. Alright, on this last example over here, I have 100 to the 1/3 times 100 to the 1/6. So again, multiplication property means I'm going to add my exponents. So I have 100 1/3 plus 1/6. Uh-oh, I can't add these yet. These don't have the same That's correct. They don't have the same denominator. So let's do the work on the side. 1/3 plus 1/6. If I want them to both have the same denominator, this one needs to be a 6 as well. So I'll multiply this times 2 times 2. So this is going to give me 2/6 plus 1/6. 2/6 plus 1/6 is going to give me 3/6. 3/6 simplify a little bit more, it's 1/2. So all this fraction comes out to a 1/2 fraction. So I have 100 to the 1/2, which is the square root of 100, which is just 10. All right, go ahead and try the U-try.